Rico the wedding singer here. I'm going to show you how to crack your upper back, and it's very simple. First, you cross your left arm across your body, then you put your right arm like an uppercut right here, and then you swing your arm 3 times. On your 3rd time, you pull it back with your right arm, like so. 1, 2, 3. And then you do the same thing on the other side. You cross your right arm across your body, and then bring your left arm as an uppercut, hook it up, and then swing 1, 2, 3. Alright, please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. Again, I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.